na yɛde no obi ofiri betema ɔka say ɔbɛyɛ bunu ni yɛsrɛ mu yɛnya abonofo. We have never been Bono and we will never be Bono. We are Ashantes. That is why we speak Asante tree. You can't say, you can't say, Obi Jina baby. Eka se Ahafo, Eya Bonofo. Si onini hu. Neka ni se onim na bakosem. Inti onko siya na bakosem. Yet sadi we ye free her once and for all. If it is a Ghana ne Panama kobo machia. A brand ya Abonofo girls be led by GH Mouthpiece. And then I'm so saying, between for ya Bonofo and Ahafo ya Bonofo ya Pacho, Ahafo ya Bonofo. Ahafo ya Asante for Omoka Asante tree. Ahafo Omonya Bonofo, inti Ebeya Muni Ahafo in free manone mokasem. Between for if it in Suta, Omo say Ubu ha Omoka bewa mokasem. Debi Omoka me say if we say Omoye Asante for. The fact is that we were once in the same region, which was the Bronx Ahafo no, and Chelsea ya Bonofo. And until another region, the then Bronx Ahafo no, now Bono Ahafo no, there was hyphenation at them. It was hyphenated because there was a difference between Bono and Ahafo. Bono Ahafo region. Yes, Remo. We have always been Ashanti. We've maintained our Asante identity. Into your Pamucho. Bono, Yanka Bono. Oba hona yenka bono. Na yɛde no obi ofiri betema ɔka say ɔbɛyɛ bunu ni. Yɛsrɛ mu yɛnya abonofo. We have never been Bono and we will never be Bono. We are Ashantes. That is why we speak Asante tree. Yɛka say yɛka Asante tree. You're joining Asante Mine Council. Asante Hene na the life patron of the Ahafo Regional House of Chiefs. Into Uba Hafwa, yɛnyina yɛka tree. Bono ni bienim. Se bi obi free Bono and Ahafo no ka Bono there, that's fine. Where you live is different from where you come from. So what I say? Inti yasira mo sa mo Bono shenanigans ne mo Bono tantrums ni munyai na ye yenka mo ho. Asamwe jan ye ka se ye komu a asamwe jan onye Bono ni. Se ye ditum sa akamfo ye matrilineal ye bo abusuya ko ye maame afem. Na se asamwe jan ne maami firi mamponti a ne maami firi mamponti ewu kumase nti se ne maami firi mamponti e de na asamwe jan ye Bono ni that means asamwe jan ya Asante. They may have grown up in Wenchi because the father was from there and a bear man ebusuya nti bear man na be kire baby a enkra ni nyini eno ne nkire so mu firi ho asamwe jan na nkasa ne interview no ye busa no so firi ho ka say see a cancer matrilineal nti se akamfo ye matrilineal de na